We are here at the Centennial College Progress Campus at the Culinary schools, and Centennial is hosting us today for the culinary competition for the York Region Skills Challenge. The winners from today's competition will move on to the qualifying round at Humber College on April 5th.
Right now we have 4 students competing from different schools, and yeah, I'm really excited to see because they all have kind of different approaches, different styles. So it's a 3-course meal. The way that it's set up is that there's a few different stages. So the first stage to the competition is they butcher chicken. The second stage is that they're going to do precision cuts. So they're judged on precision cuts, they're judged on their butchery, they're judged on how much waste, and then they go on to actually prepare 3 courses with these items.
So my competitor has been cooking for much longer than I've known her. I believe she started cooking with her grandmother when she was younger. But she's always had a passion for cooking, and then once she became my student, I could see her passion for it, so I suggested trying out the culinary competition. In her first year, she actually won gold at the York Region Skills Competition, and in her second year, she won silver. So hopefully we do well again today, but I've already seen her food, and she definitely has something to be proud of because all her plates look fantastic.
So today we're going to be focusing on the techniques, the basic skills that the students are going to be using for their dishes, how they behave throughout the competition. So do they clean as they go? Do they keep our stations organized? Do they follow health and safety regulations like washing their hands after every ingredient, cross-contamination? So a lot of the basic stuff that we teach throughout our courses, just to make sure to kind of like gauge their level of understanding of how to progress and how to get the dishes done in a proper manner, but at the same time safe for consumption.
I think it's going really good. I've been in there for I think 3 hours. Honestly, it's just such a good experience, and it's so great to be able to get the tips and tricks from the chefs as they're coming around, from the judges.
You know, taste is only one component. Cleanliness, waste, detail, and the thought process behind the dishes are a lot of the other aspects. So when I was in high school, I wish I had something like this. I loved cooking and I didn't really have an outlet for it. And so it's great to see how things have changed. And yeah, at Centennial College, we love doing this kind of thing and having the community come in and kind of representing the next generation.
At the end of the day, we want them to have fun. We want this be a positive experience for them to kind of think if this is something that they would like to pursue.
They've all finished strong and they've all done an excellent job, so they all have something to be proud of.
I placed second, which is exciting. So that means that I'm going to Humber. Honestly, there were a lot of things that were learned. I'm gonna go back and tweak my recipes and get them better for Humber, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it all turned out.
So we're hoping that the students first of all, have fun and gain a bit of experience and demonstrate their skills. This is one of the example of good transferable skills in real life, ability to cope under a little bit a stressful environment because they're under timeline, and how they can manage that.
My advice is have fun, practice. It's stressful when you get in there. There's gonna be moments when you're like, oh, I need to do this and I need to do that, but ultimately it's your time, your effort matters. Just have fun.